So welcome back everyone. أهلا وسهلا بكم. Today we are going to learn the alphabet, which is going to be the first lecture. Of course, you're learning Arabic, which use totally different alphabet than the Chinese and the English and so on. So for this case, I have prepared something for you. It's alphabet paper, and I'm gonna post this as well on Udemy, so you can download it and you can print it so you can use it at home or something like that. So what we are going to do actually is that I'm going to read the alphabet for you, and I'm gonna make sure that you do read my mouth, my lips, my movement, my mouth movement, and make sure that you hear the letter perfectly. However, there is an explanation, of course, explanation about everything, how you're gonna write the letter, and I mean, everything about the alphabet is going to be on the next video. So this video only to make sure that you pronounce it pretty well. So we're gonna start with, I hope that this is good enough to see, or big enough to see basically, but again, don't worry, there's a single video for the alphabet and everything about it, so don't worry about this. So we're gonna start with Alif, and usually Alif comes with Hamza, which is this small thing on the Alif, this small thing. It usually comes with Hamza above it, or below it, or none at all. Okay, so let's say that the alphabet's gonna start without the Hamza, just forget about it. So we have Alif, which is A, like A in English, A in French, or so on. And then we have Ba, B, is normal B. So I'm saying Ba because the name of the letter is Ba, the name. Just like I'm called Fadi, okay, my name is Fadi. So the name of the letter is Ba, but when you speak, it's B. It's just like normal B. Okay, that's totally normal. And then we have T, which is normal T, and it's called Ta. So Alif, Ba, Ta, A, B, T. And then we have Th, which is in English usually it's C, but it's in Arabic Th. It's totally different. Some people in Spain, they say Valencia instead of Valencia, I think so. And it's Th. It's not the in English, no, it's Th. So you put the tongue on your teeth, Th, Th. So you make sure that you spell it correctly. So we have Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. And as you can see, Ba, Ta, Tha looks together. It looks like the same, but different points. Of course, the explanation is coming soon. Then we have Jim, Ha, Kha. Jim, Ha, Kha. Jim is like G. H is totally new letter, and it's probably difficult for some of you. H, H. So it's called Jim, G, Ha for H. Comes from your throat. H. Okay? Comes out from your throat. H. It's like when you cough. So you're saying H, H. So again, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. Dal, which is D, Dal, Zal, the, and this is like the normal English the book, the whatever. So Zal, the, and then we have R, which is rain, called the rain, which is R, Zain, which is Z. So we are here now. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, R, Z. So it's R, like R, not French R, but the normal R, R, and Z. Then we have Sin, which is S, Shin, which is Sh, like SH or CH maybe in French. And then we have those four difficult letters, and I'm not gonna focus on it. I'm just gonna spell it because the explanation is on the on the next video. So we have S, Sad, D, Dad, T. I know you're probably now laughing at me, maybe just laughing like me. However, so Sad, Dad, T, Dha. So one more time. Sad, Dad, T, Dha. I know, but no worry. Practicing, you're gonna make it better. You're gonna be better. So the four letters: Sad, Dad, T, Dha. And then we have ayn, ghain. So ayn also come from throat. Al, ayn, al. It's not it's al. And then we have ghain, which is French R, r. And then we have fa, qaf. So fa is F, qaf is absolutely new, and in MSA, unfortunately, we use it, but in street language, in some of the countries, we don't use it. We switch it with but now you must learn MSA, so be careful. F again, and qah, qaf, qah, qah. One more. Qah. Okay, so fa, qaf, kaf, which is k, and then we have lam, which is L, normal L, and then we have mim, which is normal M, we have nun, normal N, so here one more time, kaf, lam, mim, nun, N, ha, which is like H, h, wow, which is like, we can use it as a W, we can use it as a U, so it doesn't matter, it depends on the word, but the name of the letter is wow. And at the end we have ya, and ya sometimes comes as a e, sometimes comes as a y. So it depends also on the word. So one more time: alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, rin, zin, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طه, ظه, عين, غين, فاء, قاف, كاف, لام, ميم, نون, نون, ha, واو, ya. Okay? So that's for the alphabet. I'm gonna give you this so you can print it out like me, and then you can practice. And maybe another paper, not for now, but for future videos, I'm gonna make almost the same, but with examples for each letter. So probably the practice would be better in this time. Okay, so again, one more time, read this carefully, try to pronounce all letters correctly, try your best. I know you probably cannot do 100%, but give it a try. If you have any question, let me know. All right, we'll see you on another videos.